We are going to model this wooden cupboard, and we will create wood procedural material for wooden cupboard. I have given this HDRI image for lightning. Link in the description. Download it. Select cube, press tab to go into edit mode, press S and 0.5 in numpad, select this face and move it inside little bit, press Ctrl R, to add one loop cut, select this face, press E and 1 in numpad to extrude, then add one loop cut here. Add another loop cut, and press Ctrl B to bevel it little bit. Select these faces here, and press I, to insert it little bit, then press 7 in numpad, go to wireframe, and extrude inside like this. Then select this edge and press F, to fill. Likewise select these edges, and fill it with faces. Now add bevel modifier, and increase segments 4, reduce amount 0.001. After that select this faces, and press P, click selection, this will be door for this cupboard. Now select this and go into edit mode, select everything, then in pivot point change to individual origin. Scale this little bit up to here, then press E to extrude it little bit, then select this face, press Shift D, to duplicate, right click to place it there, and scale it little bit, then extrude it up like this. Then place your mouse here, and press L to select loose parts. Then press 3 in numpad, duplicate it and place it here. Select this face and move it here. Select the bottom faces and extrude it little bit, select the door, go to edit mode, select everything, press P, click loose parts. Now all loose parts is separated. Now we have to add handle to the door, press Shift A, mesh, cylinder, reduce vertices value 16, and press S, reduce the scale, bring it here. And then press S and Shift Z, to reduce the scale not in Z axis, see it is reduce the cylinder, X and Y axis only. Now press 1 in numpad, and then duplicate it, rotate it. Then reduce the scale, and place it here. Then duplicate this, move it down here. Now we have to scale this and place it here. Go inside the cupboard, and select this 2 face, then move it inside like this. Press 3 in numpad, then duplicate this handle and place it here. Again duplicate it, place it here. Now we have to joint this handle and door. For that select this door and this handle, press Ctrl J, see now it become one. Likewise select this door and this handle, joint it. Do the same for this door also. Select this door, go into edit mode, press Z, wireframe, select this vertex, press Shift S, cursor to selected, then in object mode right click, set origin, origin to 3D cursor. Now if you press RZ, see our door is opening. In right side, item, click this lock option to lock, both X and Y rotation. If you just click and drag it you can see the door is opening and closing. Select this door, go to edit mode, select this vertex, Shift S, cursor to selected. In object mode right click, set origin, origin to 3D cursor. For this also you can lock the rotation X and Y. Likewise select this door, go to edit mode, select this vertex, Shift S, cursor to selected. In object mode right click, set origin, origin to 3D cursor. In right side item, lock the rotation X and Y. Now we have successfully completed modeling our small wooden cupboard. Now we are going to create wood procedural material for our cupboard. Now go to World Properties, click this yellow dot, click Environment Texture, click Open. Then bring that HDRI image for lightning. Go to Render View, in Film enable Transparent. Then click this and drag, change this to Shader Editor, click New. Rename it Wood Procedural Material. Then go to Edit, Preference, enable Node Wrangler add-on, it will be useful in Shader Editor. Now press Shift A, bring Noise Texture, then by selecting Noise Texture, press Ctrl T, it will add texture coordinates and mapping. Now connect texture coordinate object to mapping. Vector. Hold Ctrl Shift and select the noise texture to preview it. In noise texture change the detail value 15, roughness value 0.633, then duplicate this mapping Shift D, and place it here, it will automatically connect, then change the Z, scale value 29.200, Now press Shift A. In Add menu, bring color ramp for contrast, place it here, bring the black to here. Then bring mix color, place it. Connect the color ramp color to mix factor. Now for color A, hex code is B, C, B, 1, 9, 0. And for color B, hex code is B, B, 8, A, 4, 2. Now select this principled BSDF, place it here. Change the roughness value to 0.800. Now we have bring bump for more realistic. Click this normal and drag it, leave it. Now bring bump. Then connect this color ramp color to bump height. Reduce bump strength value 0.070. Now select the mapping vector, click and drag it. Now bring reroute. Then you can click here and drag it, and bring noise texture. Adding reroute will be organize your nodes. Duplicate this bump and place it here. Change the noise scale value 100, detail 15, and roughness value to 0.950. Connect noise texture factor to this bump height. Now click this material icon drop-up menu, bring that wood procedural material. Click this icon to make this into new material. Now change the color. For color A, hex code is B, C, 7, 3, 4, 8. For color B, hex code is 3, 7, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now in bottom side you can see, material is not applied properly, and this is side material is going in X direction. I don't want it like this. So change this mapping rotation Y, 90. Now see it all looks fine. But in this face, you can see another problem, because of the Y rotation we change, it changed here also. If we used PBR textures, then in UV unwrap we can change this face texture, but we are using our wood procedural material. For this there is only two solution. First solution is we have to bake the texture and then apply it to the cupboard. That time we can easily UV unwrap and change the rotation and scale of the texture. If you want to know how to bake textures, then I have made a video of that. This video link in the description, you can watch it, then you will know how to bake textures. Or there is so simple easy solution. Click plus icon, then bring that wood procedural material. Now in edit mode, select all these faces. Then click assign, it will assign to this material. Then change the Y rotation to 0. That's all. See in all sides materials looks fine. Click plus to create new material slot. Click new material. Rename it black. In edit mode, press L to select this loose parts. Then click assign. Bring noise texture. Then by selecting noise texture, press Ctrl T. Connect object to mapping vector. Noise value 200. Detail value 15. Roughness value to 0.900. Bring bump node. Connect normal to normal. Then connect noise texture factor to bump height. Reduced bump strength value 0.001. Change color to black. And reduce the roughness value to 0.050. At last for the door handle, in material drop down, bring the black. Click this icon to make this into new material, and rename it metal. In edit mode, select these handles, and then click assign. It will assign these to this material. Now increase the color value to little grayish. Now change the metal value 1, and roughness value 0.420. Likewise for other door handle also. Bring that metal material, assign those to metal materials. And for the last door handle also, do the same. Finally we have completed our small wooden cupboard with wood procedural material. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like to learn more like this, then hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.